What's up, fam? My name is Michelle and we are back with a new recipe, REV Firecracker Meatballs. The original recipe for this can be pretty high in fat, so I decided to tweak a few things to bring the fat content down, making sure we keep your protein up. So let's get started, because I'm hungry. All of our ingredients will be listed in the recipe below. We are setting our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, I am pushing away our sauce ingredients and I'm gonna focus on the meatball ingredients. We're gonna combine all of these in a bowl. Don't forget to wash your hands before you do this. We don't want your nasty hands up in here, okay? We've got knives. I'm gonna be doing 2 pounds of chicken. 2 pounds of chicken. Now I am using 99% lean or chicken breast. You can use like 93% lean if you want a higher fat content, but I try to keep my fat as low as possible. So 99% lean chicken breast it is. Where are my measuring cups? Panko breadcrumbs. We are doubling up this recipe. Let's go with a half a cup of panko. You want a half a cup of panko? Yeah, I'll do a half a cup of panko. Okay. Next up, a half a cup of green onion. Let's chop it up. Little choppy. Let's pop it in. 4 cloves of garlic next. I was lazy, so I got my garlic already minced. 4 teaspoons of grated ginger. My eyes are burning a little bit from that ginger. And we're gonna black pepper to taste. And we're gonna salt to taste. Oh yeah. Is this really aggressive? Because it feels aggressive. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. You can tell I loosely measure things with a teaspoon. Rough estimate, it's okay. 2 tablespoons of Sriracha, more or less for heat. That is something you can determine on your own. All right, my hands are clean. This is the part we get a little dirty, folks. Mix it up. Oh my God. Yo, I can smell that ginger in here. Wow. I love when my oven sings to me. I do like to line and spray my baking sheet for an easier cleanup at the end. All right, so we've mixed up our chicken meatball, and now we're gonna make like 1-inch diameter meatballs. Probably should have used 2 baking sheets. Here we are. I can't go back now. And I just moved here. I don't have a second baking sheet. Do I? Maybe I need to invest in a second baking sheet, but not today. Not today. Oh, I'm gonna make this work. It's like Tetris, all right? It's Tetris. You just gotta find the spots to put it on the baking sheet. Where do I put you? Put you there. I did it. Look how beautiful these are. Do you see that? Do you appreciate those? Because we're gonna pop these in the oven, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, maybe 20 minutes. I don't know, we're gonna keep an eye on it just to make sure they cook through. 15 to 20 minutes, just keep an eye on it. I'll feed all you fuckers. This shit is going to be delicious. Oh, look at that. Yes. All right, guys, as that is cooking in the oven, we are going to prepare our sauce. 4 tablespoons fat-free plain Greek yogurt, about a half a cup of light mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons rice wine vinegar, 4 tablespoons of honey, and 2 tablespoons Sriracha. Mix it up. That's quite delightful. All right, let's see how these babies are looking. Oh yeah. Yeah, those look nice. Oh yeah. Yes, they're perfect. They are cooked to perfection. Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and plate this beautiful, beautiful creation we have here. It smells so good. So good. I chilled my firecracker sauce while that was cooking. I did 3 meatballs, saucy on top. And of course, some fresh green onion to add some more color. And the moment of truth. We get to eat it. It's gonna be so good. This is amazing. Okay, I'm glad I made this in a big batch. You guys are gonna freaking love this recipe. Go make it now. Bye.